seems to be out of commission.
Bet it was a raid! Places like this usually have to fend for themselves against bandits. Or pirates. Maybe one of the Bullards in town knows where to find him. They're junk traders and very upbeat.
I hope they are more hospitable than the Bullards in my dimension. The bridge seems to be out of commission.
Bet it was a raid! Places like this usually have to fend for themselves against bandits.
The bridge seems to be out of commission.
Bet it was a raid! Places like this usually have to fend for themselves against bandits. Or pirates.
The bridge seems to be out of commission.
Bet it was a raid! Places like this usually have to fend for themselves against bandits. Or pirates.
Pardon me. Does anyone here know where we can find the fixer?
Guess they're being cautious.
Pardon me. Does anyone here know where we can find the fixer?
Guess they're being cautious.
Hello, stranger! Can't talk! Gotta fortify before the next raid!
Get away! I don't care about you stupid hug! You foolish Joe! And my
Sorry, I can spy on you. And let's face that primo junk. I'm not letting you.
If I were a fixer, where would I be?
Fixing things, I suspect.
New tourists? Oh! Welcome to the jewel of our galaxy. Please, enjoy yourselves. Did you know Molinoff means paradise in Junkish?
Is the fixer on this planet?
He most definitely is. Great guy, the best, and single, if either of you are interested.
We were told that he can fix phase quartz.
Phase quartz, blaze quartz, any quartz, anything! But, we've been having trouble with pirates, so we asked him to help because, you know, he's a big guy. But after a few days of totally crushing them, he just, broke.
Perhaps we could fix him.
You two look like you could straighten him out in a Molinoff minute. But the path to him was destroyed in the last pirate raid, so you'll need a hurl shot. Oh, and I saw one in the smelting pits further ahead. Lucky you.
The Glove of Doom is now available. Need I say more?
So, after this, are you and Ratchet going to the Lombax dimension?
It is possible, but Ratchet is uncertain. Perhaps he is afraid that
Wait, afraid? Why afraid?
it is complicated.
Huh. Well, hey, if he doesn't want to go, I will.
but there is no way to reach it.
Time to improvise. A hurl shot's gonna get us across that chasm? It's huge!
Yes, and I am not thrilled about the name either. But we must find one at the smelting pits.
Chunk incoming! Broken rail ahead! Ah! Broken rail ahead! Ah! Broken rail ahead! Here comes another one!
A smelting pit is a curious place for a hurl shot to be.
I'm guessing it has something to do with them all getting recalled recently. Something about fractured spines?
Oh, dear.
Smooth. There's a rift! How about
This
that,
was
huh?
quite well, very impressive. They...
There's a rift! Out of our way!
That was unpleasant.
Here comes a jump!
Oh, dear. This rail system seems exceedingly dangerous.
Just hang on! It goes straight to the smelting pits! Here comes a jump!
Oh, dear. This rail system seems exceedingly dangerous.
Just hang on! It goes straight to the smelting pits!
I am afraid we may end up in a smelting pit.
Ah! Here comes a jump!
Oh, dear. This rail system seems exceedingly dangerous.
Just hang on! It goes straight to the smelting pits!
I am afraid we may end up in a smelting pit.
Piece of cake! Oh, no.
Avast ahoy, yo-ho, yo-ho, our time has finally come. Let us plunder like mad and go break bad, for the fixer is all but done.
Look here, mateys, this looks useful. In fact, I've a notion that it be crucial.
It seems fate has brought us together again, ma petite rivette.
Guess fate really loves seeing you get your butt kicked, Pierre.
Ah! Yoo-hoo! Pirate mateys, attack!
Oh, dear. The pirates are raiding for scrap.
We can't let them get that hurl shot.
Perhaps it would be worth using the high ground here.
Good idea.
Shields up, mateys!
Ah, shields? Looks like we're gonna have to get creative.
I'm still I'll blast you yet! Incoming shatter bombs!
Drown this scallywag!
First mate be right! All hands get to plundering and scowl! Flaggery! right, Rivet, but you should have seen the fixer. Such power! The last evil!
Did you talk him to death or what?
I would... Oh, grab anything that shines, twinkles, glimmers, and shimmers! Grab it all!
We picked up all day!
Prepare for a broadside!
That's all of them. Let's get that hurl shot down. We've got the hurl shot. Now we just have to get across that pirate-filled chasm and find the fixer. My spine!
'Tis a mistake to get between pirates and their plundering. Brace yourselves!
We're pinned down!
If Molinoth is mostly junk, what are they hoping to loot here?
Where better to find buried treasure than on a junk planet?
The long backs be scuttling our mates! Give her no quarter! So she be killed!
So tenacious! Je t'adore! Our looting was so boring until you arrived! So merci for lining things up!
Yeah, keep laughing, Pierre.
How many pirates does Pierre have?
Maybe the fixer will help finish them off.
Got him in me sights!
It's time for ye to quit! Then again, we seem to be doing pretty well on our own.
Incoming!
Your penchant for meddling is most annoying, Livet! Why must you always get in my way?
Did you ever think you're the one getting in my way?
tired, Rivet? Perhaps you would like a new dance partner!
Are we going to, dance?
No, we are not.
Come here, Shockmate! That won't happen again! There'll be no Clank for ye to walk here. Your end lies with me. This is what she gets for trying to steal what is ours.
What's yours? Ha!
It'd be a fool's quest to look for the fixer. I shall save ye the trouble. Firing main gun! Come here, shot!
We're wearing him down.
Halt my ideas! Our command ship is lost! Destroy it now! Will it be expenses? Are ye sure?
I suggest we abandon ship.
Suggestion noted. Nice one, Bolts. Whew. I'd be happy if I never saw a pirate again.
Yoo-hoo! Hey there!
We can now use the hurl shot to reach the fixer.
Take comfort in a full clip, cutie! You picked that one up already. Upgrades ready. Are you? Gotta blast some more baddies before you can upgrade that one. Thanks for shopping, cutie pie!
Perhaps when he is not fighting pirates, he is a gentle giant.
Not my experience with big robots, but we'll see. Another pocket dimension. What do you think? Might be fun.
I can be persuaded.
Oh, that smell is so bad. Maybe it's time for one last speedo ride. Yep, still weird.
Weird, but fascinating.
Okay, now, on to the fixer. Almost there!
Pierre says they be fixing.
Almost there!
Pierre says they be fixing to...
Almost there!
Pierre says they be fixing to fix the fixer. So fix them a quick death. You're gonna pay for making us scuttle our own ship. Cut them down, matey. The longbacks is getting too close to the fixer.
Got some solid cover here, and it looks like I could fight them from the sides, too.
Did you think you could get away so easily?
Keep them coming, Pierre. I'm just waiting for you to come down and fight me yourself.
I should have known scuttling you fools would be too easy. For it is a fool therein to fix the fixer.
Were you saying something, Pierre?
How will I go on without my grace's foe?
Good thing you'll never have to find out.
Sassy backpack
Sassy backpack.
You guys aren't very good at this.
Do not love me to the failure. I am merely the face of the operation.
Can't stand these shields.
Perhaps now Pierre will take the hint.
Speaking from experience, he won't.
Perhaps now Pierre will take the hint.
Speaking from experience, he won't.
The fixer be done for, and so shall he!
Can't stop now. Not when we're this close to the fixer.
I'm locked on to ye, Lomback! I be honored to bless ye myself. Your scraggly neck will be here no more. Your tail will be a fine swab for our decks! This'll be over quick! Pierre will give me a big bloomin' hat for the... Fixer be done for, and so shall ye!
Can't stop now. Not when we're this close to the fixer.
I be honored to bless ye myself. Your scraggly neck will pester Pierre no more. Your tail will be a fine swab for our decks! I can take it! The air will give me a big bloomin' hat for this! The fixer be done for, and so shall ye! I be honored to bless ye myself. Your scraggly neck will pester Pierre no more. He won't make it out of this one. Your tail will be a fine swab for our decks. Pierre will give me a big bloomin' hat for this!
Ammo shortage.
The fixer be done for, and so shall ye!
ports cannot be fixed.
And we're in deep trouble. But there's no point in worrying about it now.
I am both frustrated and excited. Run, Undercolors, and seeing those others, we must stop them before they reach the fixer.
The fixer.
I guess we have to turn him on first.
Was he turned off because he was broken?
Huh. This must be the fixer's on switch.
Hello? Are you, okay?
No. I am broken, as is everything. Nothing can be fixed.
Oh, my.
At least the pirates are taken care of.
Please focus on the grinding.
At least the pirates are taken care of.
Please focus on the grinding.
At least the pirates are taken care of.
Please focus on the grinding.
He's bringing the whole place down.
Junk ahead.
He's bringing the whole place down.
Junk ahead.
Fixing is a vain and fleeting measure. Destruction is our natural state.
What is he, the breaker now?
I see a fellow broken one. You must accept your brokenness.
Is he talking about me?
Because of your arm? Don't listen to him, Bolts. If you're broken, so am I. And I think we're pretty awesome. Do you have any ideas? Because I'm having a hard time thinking while running away from a giant homicidal robot.
I am working on it.
The mine's collapsing. Great.
Men is to enlighten. I am not deserving of enlightenment. I have no wisdom.
Wisdom. I may have an idea.
I'm all ears.
I am broken. I cannot fix. I cannot be fixed.
Don't fall, don't fall, don't fall. Don't fall, don't fall, don't fall.
Oh dear.
Can everything stop falling apart, please?
I am fixed.
What are you doing?
Improvising. I may be different than I was, but you helped me realize I am still Clank.
I am quite relieved. When the Bullards asked me to protect them, it opened my eyes to a great many broken things. So very many.
And you became distressed.
But being able to fix another, to see that all is not lost. How can I ever repay you both?
Can you fix this? Thank you.
You just gave an old giant robot the gift of hope. It should be I who is thanking you.
Phew. Let's get back to the ship, shall we?
Yes. Oh, I hope Ratchet had an easier time building a new Dimensionator.
So, are we gonna talk about you rescuing me back there?
I did?
You did. Looks like you're a natural even in my dimension.
I thank you, Ribbit.
Well, you got the big guy back. Tell him about my primo junk. What did he say? Actually, don't worry about it. I'll tell him.
Oh, I did thank you. And I got for a second there, I thought I was going to have to
Victor's back? Oh my god! Oh my god!
You found a resistant spy bot! Hooray! They contain intel on different planets and plans for a secret weapon if you collect enough of them!
How's the junk? Is it safe? Is it safe? Not a thing! Not a bandit pirate!
Come to Mr.
None can resist the seductive powers of one of those more junk and a widely being moved whatever the hell they think.
Looks like the miner's head chef is missing. Bet someone at the hub knows something. I've heard of a monk looking for Lombaxes on Savali. I wonder if Ratchet found him yet. Okay, let's fix the dimensions. Dialed in. Let's go. Hi, Ratchet. Hi, Rivet. Nice to meet you.
What are you doing?
Nothing. Just thinking about building the Dimensionator and saving the universes.
Are you nervous about meeting Ratchet?
What? Yeah, a little.
He is friendly, I promise. And once we build the Dimensionator, he will help us find Dr. Nefarious.
Right. Guess our adventure's coming to an end, Bolts. You two and Dr. Nefarious will be back in your own dimension in no time.